Healthcare and dental clinics are extremely demanding and high prone liability business. This kind of business, they don't have much room for mistakes or errors or any kind of try and error. When you are choosing a business system to implement and install in your dental clinic or in your healthcare system, it has to be proven to be effective and working. Here are 6 reasons why you should choose lean manufacturing and management system for your dental care and for your healthcare business. The very first reason is lean is easy. It's easy to understand, it's easy to implement, it's easy to learn it. Lean is a bunch of concepts and some tools, and the concepts are they are common sense. For example, the concepts of value. Value is whatever is adding value, whatever the customer is paying. In our case, patient is paying money for that. So that's called value. What is not value? It's a waste. So we need to eliminate waste as much as we can. And we need to add value to the patient as much as we can. So this is a concept. There is another concept. Continuous improvement. Healthcare, dental clinic, and dentistry is changing all the time. Technology is changing, machine is changing, knowledge is changing, and everything is changing. So we need to have a continuous improvement, a dynamic system that works and grow all the time to change, to adapt to the new system. So lean gives us this opportunity to continually improve. So this is a concept and easy to understand. Now there are some tools. So tools means some techniques and some way that we can implement and we can get to this, we can approach, we can achieve these goals to eliminate waste. So lean is easy to understand, easy to implement, easy to maintain. The second reason lean is a good option for healthcare and dental clinic is because lean is flexible. You can install and implement lean in your one-man show clinic or business or whatever you have, or you can install lean in a multinational with hundreds of thousands of employees all over the world. It's flexible. You don't have to install and implement a full-fledged lean to enjoy the benefit of it. You can use just a few of the concepts and few of the tools and still enjoy the benefits, cut the costs, high quality service and products. So lean is flexible. As soon as you learn the concept of the leans and you learn some tools of the leans, you can implement and install it in any business. You can change it, you can manipulate the leans, you can customize it based on your need. For example, there is a concept in lean that is called value stream mapping. Value stream mapping means when you follow the flow of work in your business, the patient or the family or whatever you have in your business, you follow and check which section, which part, which department adds value to the business, add value to the customers, to the patient, and which part doesn't add any value to the patient. So that's called waste. The other one is called value. So this concept you can implement, you can change it to fit your own business, your own clinic, your own office. So it's super easy to manipulate, to change, to customize lean based on your need and your business. The third reason lean is suitable for almost all clinics and dental clinic and healthcare clinic is the low cost of implementation and the low cost of maintaining. The cost of implementing and running and maintaining lean system in your business, in your dental clinic or your healthcare clinic is extremely low. Actually, it doesn't have any extreme. You don't need any software computer. You don't need any hardware. You don't need any extra expensive or outstanding infrastructure to run lean. You don't have any calculation to do in your lean, not much calculation. You don't have to have a separate department. You don't have to have different people assigned separate people to run lean for you. It's all a culture. It's injection of the culture in the mindset and in the brain of your people. The mindset of waste, the mindset of value, the mindset of continuous improvement. So it's very cheap to run and install it. actually doesn't have any cost. So the lean system for healthcare, which is extremely costly, healthcare is very cost sensitive business, the installing and implementing lean is very cheap and very easy to implement, run, and maintain. There are thousands of big and small organization, manufacturing, service business that already implemented and run lean. Organization like US Army, Nike, Toyota, Ford, and many other companies and organizations, gigantic and big companies and organizations, they are already running and implemented lean in their business, and it works. It's a proven system. It has been done in many companies and many organizations. There are thousands of hospitals and clinics that they are running lean, because the lean is not something very extraordinary. It's just some concept. It's easy to understand. It's easy to implement. So when you are implementing a system in your business, it has to be something that has been proven. It has to have a good track record of the proven and successfully running businesses and hospitals and healthcare, so you can adopt it and implement it in your business. And lean is that business system. The sixth reason to use lean in your healthcare system and your healthcare clinic and dentistry is availability of resources and helps for leans. Whenever you're implementing and installing something in your system, in your business, you have to have access to the resources to help. If you need help, you have to have access to somebody that can help you. You have to have access to researchers and everything, and lean is one of them. There are thousands of companies, there are thousands of clinics all over the world that have already installed and they are using lean. So there is no shortage of information, there is no shortage of help if you are using lean. Whenever something happens, you can jump online and just type on the Google search and find the people who had the same challenges and see what's the solution, how they could fix the solution with lean. And that's very valuable. So when you are using lean, just by typing a few numbers on your cell phone and just give a call to a lean expert, you can get help, or you can go online. So there is no shortage of information and resources to implement lean in your business. Action plan. Now that you may convinced that lean is good for your business, now is the time to go and implement it in one small tiny section of your business. Maybe on the reception area, maybe on you can have your dental assistant, somebody cooperative in your business, in your dental clinic or in your healthcare clinic, somebody who is cooperative, some part that is more accessible. Implement the leans for 2 weeks and see the result. For only 2 weeks. If you have any question, any problem, you can contact me and I'll help you how to implement and how to run the lean in your business.